Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG image to EPS in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see convert JPG image to EPS. Now you going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now I select from JPG image. Now click from open option. Now you can see then we show open image in the Photoshop. This image convert to EPS. Now I going to the again file menu option, then click. Now select from save as option. Now select. Now you can see then show the new interface. Now choose from file name. Now type the file name and select from format option. Now click. Now click from Photoshop EPS. Now select. Now click from save into EPS. Now click OK. That it's. Like I'll say. Convert JPG image to EPS in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.